The Artilian team is proud to introduce our newest addition to the Artilian lineup, the Artillian Elite ROPS-mounted Directional Work Light set. Rotate a full 360 degrees, no tools required. Just pull out on the handle, rotate the light to the angle you need, and release the handle. An internal compression spring pulls the light back into position. You can rotate the light in 10-degree increments. The lights can be adjusted for illumination on all sides of the tractor. Our mounting plates use U-bolts to attach to most square or rectangular ROPS. Notches on the mounting plate hold the light securely in position. Each light is 3 inches in diameter. 4 LED bulbs provide powerful beams of light. Each light has a rocker on-off switch. Use one or both lights depending upon your needs. The Artillian Elite ROPS-mounted light kit comes with 2 complete work lights, wire harness, and all required hardware. Visit us at artillian.com to see our full line of tractor attachments and accessories.